Hey everyone! Welcome back to Body and Mind Wellness. So, daylight saving time has just kicked in, and if you're feeling extra tired, a bit off, or just not quite yourself, you're definitely not alone. That extra hour, or lost hour, might seem small, but it can seriously mess with our bodies and minds. Today we're diving into exactly why the time change affects us so much, and, more importantly, the best hacks to help you feel back to normal. Let's make this time change work for us, not against us. Let's get started. Daylight saving time, or DST. Our internal clocks get thrown off kilter twice a year. In the spring, we spring forward, moving our clocks ahead by an hour. Come fall, we fall back and reset our clocks back an hour. This seemingly simple act of time manipulation has profound effects on our bodies and minds. Our bodies are intricately designed to operate on a 24-hour cycle, a rhythm deeply intertwined with the natural world. Does that extra hour or lost hour leave you feeling groggy and off balance? Today we're diving into the science behind why daylight saving time impacts your body and mind, plus simple hacks to ease the transition. Deep within our brains resides a master clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, orchestrating the symphony of our circadian rhythms. These rhythms govern not only our sleep-wake cycles, but also a vast array of physiological processes, from hormone production to body temperature regulation. Imagine a conductor leading an orchestra. The SCN ensures that all instruments are playing in harmony, maintaining the body's internal balance. When our circadian rhythms are aligned with the 24-hour day, we experience optimal health and well-being. Daylight saving time, however, disrupts this delicate balance. Suddenly shifting the clock, even by a single hour, throws our internal clocks out of sync with the natural environment. It's like asking the orchestra to abruptly change tempo without missing a beat. The result is dissonance and disarray. Our bodies struggle to adapt, leading to a cascade of negative consequences for our sleep, mood, and overall health. Sleep, the cornerstone of our physical and mental well-being, bears the brunt of DST's disruption. The sudden shift in light exposure confuses our internal clocks, making it harder to fall asleep at night and wake up feeling refreshed in the morning. Sleep deprivation sets in, leaving us feeling groggy, irritable, and struggling to focus. The consequences extend beyond our immediate experience. Chronic sleep disruption increases the risk of a range of health problems, from obesity to heart disease. Section 5. Beyond tiredness. Mood swings, anxiety, and depression. The impact of DST extends far beyond sleep, influencing our mood and emotional well-being. Studies have linked DST to increased rates of depression, anxiety, and mood swings. The culprit? Disruptions in the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle and mood. When our internal clocks are out of sync, melatonin production is thrown off, leading to imbalances in our brain chemistry and contributing to emotional instability. Section 6. The hidden dangers. Accidents, heart attacks, and more. Daylight saving time, or DST, is often seen as a simple shift in our clocks, but its impact runs much deeper. The consequences of DST's disruption are not limited to our mental and emotional health. The sudden change in time can throw our entire system off balance, leading to a cascade of negative effects. Alarmingly, studies have shown an increase in heart attacks, strokes, and workplace accidents in the days following the spring transition to DST. This isn't just a minor uptick. The statistics are significant and concerning. The reason? Our bodies, still adjusting to the time change, are under increased stress, making us more vulnerable to health risks. The 1-hour shift may seem trivial, but it disrupts our circadian rhythms, the internal clock that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. These findings highlight the importance of recognizing DST not just as a minor inconvenience, but as a potential health hazard. It's crucial to understand that the effects of DST extend beyond feeling a bit groggy or out of sorts. The health implications are real and can be severe. As we continue to observe DST, it's essential to take proactive steps to mitigate these risks. This includes being aware of the potential dangers, adjusting our schedules gradually, and prioritizing our health during the transition period. Simple actions like getting enough sleep, managing stress, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can make a significant difference. By being mindful of the hidden dangers of DST, we can better protect ourselves and our loved ones from its adverse effects. Section 7. Reclaiming our rhythms. Tips for easing the DST transition. While the biannual shift of DST can be challenging, there are steps we can take to minimize its impact and ease our transition. The key lies in gradually adjusting our sleep schedules, aligning our lifestyle habits with our body's natural rhythms, and optimizing our sleep environment. By adopting these strategies, we can reclaim our sleep, boost our mood, and safeguard our health. Section 8. Morning light, evening calm, setting the stage for better sleep. One of the most effective ways to regulate our internal clocks is through strategic light exposure. Our bodies are naturally attuned to the cycles of light and dark, and by harnessing this, we can significantly improve our sleep patterns. Exposure to bright light in the morning, ideally sunlight, signals to our brains that it's time to wake up and be active. This morning light helps to reset our circadian rhythms, making us feel more alert and energized throughout the day. Engaging in activities like jogging, exercising, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee by a sunny window can make a big difference. In the evening, minimizing exposure to artificial light, especially from electronic devices, helps to promote melatonin production and prepare our bodies for sleep. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with our natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep. Instead, opt for dim, warm lighting in the hours leading up to bedtime. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath or reading a book, can further enhance our sleep quality. These activities signal to our bodies that it's time to wind down and prepare for rest. A calming bedroom setup with soft lighting and cozy bedding can also make a significant difference. By setting the stage for better sleep, we can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Section 9. Food, movement, and rest. Holistic habits for circadian health. Our circadian rhythms are influenced not only by light, but also by our daily habits, including when and what we eat, how much we move our bodies, and how we manage stress. Eating meals at consistent times each day helps to regulate our metabolism and hormone production, promoting better sleep. Engaging in regular physical activity, especially outdoors in natural light, can further enhance our circadian rhythms and improve sleep quality. Section 10. Listen to your body. The power of aligned living. Daylight saving time serves as a potent reminder of the interconnectedness between our bodies, our environment, and our daily habits. Twice a year, we adjust our clocks, and this seemingly simple act can have profound effects on our sleep patterns, energy levels, and overall well-being. It highlights how sensitive our internal clocks are to external changes and how crucial it is to maintain a consistent routine. By understanding the science of circadian rhythms and adopting strategies to align our lifestyle with our internal clocks, we can reclaim the restorative power of sleep, enhance our mood, and optimize our overall health and well-being. Circadian rhythms are natural internal processes that regulate the sleep-wake cycle and repeat roughly every 24 hours. They are influenced by external cues like light and temperature. When we align our activities with these rhythms, we can experience significant improvements in our physical and mental health. The key is to listen to our bodies, pay attention to the cues they provide, and make conscious choices that support our natural rhythms. For instance, exposure to natural light in the morning can help regulate our sleep-wake cycle, while reducing screen time before bed can improve sleep quality. Regular physical activity, mindful eating, and stress management are also essential components of aligned living. Try incorporating the tips outlined in this essay into your daily routine and experience the transformative power of aligned living. Start by setting a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Create a bedtime routine that helps you wind down, such as reading a book or taking a warm bath. Pay attention to your diet and eat at regular intervals to support your body's natural rhythms. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques to manage stress and improve your overall well-being. Your body and mind will thank you. By making these small but significant changes, you can enhance your quality of life and achieve a state of balance and harmony. Remember, aligned living is not about perfection, but about making mindful choices that support your health and happiness. Embrace the journey and enjoy the benefits of living in sync with your natural rhythms. All right, those are some of the best ways to handle the daylight saving time change and start feeling like yourself again. Remember, small shifts in your routine can make a huge difference in how you adjust. Try a couple of these tips and see which ones work best for you, whether it's getting a bit more sunlight, winding down with a relaxing bedtime routine, or keeping that screen time low before bed. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more wellness tips to help you feel your best, no matter the season. I'd love to hear from you in the comments too. How does daylight saving time affect you? And which of these tips are you planning to try? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay well.